Hello everyone! Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload an image on Reddit and make a post in a very simple step-by-step way. Let's begin! Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type reddit.com and press search. Step 3. Once Reddit opens, click on the create icon. Step 4. Select image and video from the posting options. Step 5. Write a title for your post. Step 6. Upload your image from your computer by clicking the upload button. Step 7. Choose a community where you want to post. Step 8. Finally, tap on post and you're done. Your image post is now successfully uploaded on Reddit. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more easy and professional tech guides. Thanks for watching,